eyeshadow looks like this, but you want it to look like this, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to blend your eyeshadow like a professional, the easy, simple way. Alright guys, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are prepping your eyelids. Something like that. Okay, now after you're done applying your concealer, you want to go ahead and set that concealer. You want to look at your palette and you want to take the color that is the closest to your skin tone. If you notice, I'm applying the color, but the motion that I'm blending is windshield motion. I like to do windshield motion, especially when it comes to the crease area or a little bit above, because it just do a really nice blend. And if you notice just now, I kind of swirl around, but in the outer motion, what that does is that the color is going to be blended out that way. So that's what I want, is I want the color to be more on the outer V. Keep swirling that eyeshadow just like that. Okay, you always want to have a brush just for blending. So where those two colors meet, you want to just blend the line, and it's going to make it disappear, and it's going to look like it goes from one color to the next. You see it? Now, the other thing, I'm going to take this same pencil and focus it on the outer V like I did the other one and bring it in, right? Because that's what we did on the other one. And the reason why I'm using these colors, guys, I'm sure you're probably not going to ever use these colors, but the reason why I'm using these colors is because I want you to be able to see the blend. Now, when it comes to blending right here, size of brush matters. A detailed blending brush. So you want to close your eyes and just kind of swirl again on the line, because what you want is to take off the harsh line that you see. You want to keep the transition from one color. You want to keep the transition from one color to the next, but you just don't want the lines. So now I'm just blending on top of it, just like that. Beautiful. Now, when it comes to the outer part right here, don't ever leave your eyeshadow like that. That does not look cute. It just looks horrible. You want to take your brush that maybe you had earlier, and you want to take the same color that you have underneath, because it would be the one that's closest to your skin tone. All right. Take it. Dust off the excess, and again on the line you're gonna blend on that line just to diffuse the harsh edge, and it's literally going to look like it faded. You see that? You see how beautiful this looks and how harsh this looks? You never want to do an eyeshadow look like this. You want to make sure that you are blending your colors. So now, guys, that you've learned how to blend, I would love to see what eyeshadow looks you guys create. And guys, if you felt like you've learned something in this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I share. And remember, if you use any of the tips that you've learned from my videos and somebody compliments you on how well your eyeshadow is looking, remember to tell them Christine from Belize taught you how. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.